Hello kids, welcome to DTW Junior. Welcome. Okay, so today we have a question, a common entrance math question of the day. It says multiply 12 by 3 and express your answer in Roman numeral. Okay, I hope you remember your Roman numerals and I hope you know your multiplication tables well. So you know that 12 times 3 is what? 36. I hope you remember when we have 12 times 3, okay? 3 times 2 is 6, and 3 times 1 is 3, okay? So our answer is 36, but we have to express it. That is, we have to make 36 the same as what it should be in Roman numeral. That's the meaning of express. Express this answer in Roman numeral. So remember, Roman numeral, let us break this down. So this is 36, which is 30 and 6. Is that not it? Now, what is the symbol for 30 in Roman numeral? We have X. That's X. Remember, X is 10. So we have 3 of this. 3 of X. So it makes up what? 30. That's 10 plus 10 plus 10. It makes up 30. I hope you remember what 6 is. All right. Remember that 5 is V. Okay. And 6, you just add an I. So 6 is what? VI. Okay. I hope you remember. It is not what? IV. IV is what? Is 4. Okay, so here our right answer here is option E, which is what? You bring these two together, which makes X X X V I. So we have our answer here, X X X V I. Okay, so thank you, and we'll see in our next question. But don't forget to get the DTW Common Entrance app on your tablet. Okay, tell mommy and daddy, please get it for them to practice more on their maths, English, their basic science, their quantitative, verbal, vocational, and social studies past questions with their correct solution. This is the National Common Entrance past questions, okay, with their correct solutions. All right, unlike some textbook like that don't have their solutions. This on the app has solutions. Okay, if you're interested in online tutoring for your child, okay, you can WhatsApp us. All right, and all the links to download this are in the video description box. You can get it on your child's tablet or on their laptop. And please don't forget to subscribe to our channel, DTW Tutorials Junior. Okay, and you can check our website for other resources. All right, thank you. And kids, don't forget that Jesus loves you, and make sure you honor, you respect mommy and daddy. Okay, and the Lord will bless you. And be hardworking also. All right, you are destined to win in life and also in your forthcoming common entrance examination 2024. Okay, you can do it. Don't be afraid. Be confident. Okay, God has you. God has your back. Okay, all right, take care.